approved na yung Magna Carta for BHWs. Ano po ba yung mga salient provision at ano yung mga magandang aasahan na benefits ng mga barangay health workers under this bill?
Of course, ang BHWs natin are considered as the one of the most overworked and undercompensated, no? Kasi ako being a former local official, and ako yung nakakaikot din naman po kasi sa maikot po kasi talaga eh, di ba? I have the chance to talk to a lot of them. Talagang nakakaawa kasi iba, kami rin sa Metro Manila, at least kaya po namin. We can afford to give them or compensate them justly, no? Or yung at least decently. Cities and first class municipalities, but there are those that belong to the third and fifth class municipalities, lalo na sa far-flung areas. As low as 200 pesos a month. 400, 'di ba? Parang ano na 'yon, ano pa mabibili mo doon? 'Di ba? So of course, although they are considered as volunteers, but I feel that they have to be well compensated. They have to be compensated justly because they really serve as our foot soldiers. They are very vital in our healthcare system, lalo na po sa ating pong preventive side, no, ng universal healthcare and our healthcare system as a whole. And more often than not, our BHWs are perform tasks beyond their what is prescribed, no? Lalo nung pandemic, nakita natin na talagang sila po yung mga talagang humarap na one of the frontliners ng ating during the pandemic. So I know it's another ambitious measure, no? Kasi po 200 no? I'll just get
How many BHW
about 251,000
BHWs?
598 barangay health workers are registered under the BHW registry system. So, kung bibigyan natin ng compensation yan, nag-compute, medyo malaki-laki rin. So, abutin din ng ilang bilyon eh. Pero sabi ko nga kung kaya naman natin na magbigay ng ayuda at iba't ibang program on social services, might as well give our BHWs kasi ito, nakita niyo na 200, 400, and they work very hard, no? Araw-araw nasa kalye yung mga yan, no? Naulan na, naarawan. So we arrived at ang bigyan po natin muna from those that are those BHWs from the third to fifth class municipalities kasi
Magkano,
ito po
sir?
yung talagang
Magkano monthly?
3,000
Per month.
subsidy, apo. 3,000 from the national government. Apo. And tapos po kasi some provinces naman, kung ito-total mo naman, yung province, yung LGU mismo, nagbibigay pa rin naman sila. So ito yung additional subsidy lang from the national government, no? Para
so
madagdag.
yan on top of what they are receiving right now, sir?
Yes, kasi kasi yung mga kaya natin 35th class, ito po yung tagto 200, 400, 'di ba? 800 pesos. Some are but sasabihin bakit hindi sinama yung citizen first class?
Malaki na yung kanilang
Medyo we were looking medyo decent. Sabihin na natin decent yung nakukuha nila. Dito sa Metro Manila as high as 11,000 pa. O 8,000. No, I think Pasig ba 'yon, yung medyo
so hindi sila
malaki
covered
ang
nitong
Mandaluyong.
bill nito, sir? Yung sa first class?
Hindi na po, third to fifth class, no? It's a start. So kung kinakailangan, wala namang perfect na batas eh. We would know the how it is upon implementation. So if there is a need to adjust later on, to amend, then we will look into it, no? Siguro implement muna natin, but as of now, ang sinama muna is third to fifth class, no? Kasi ang budget niya I think it's doable. Talagang kayang-kaya. At least this will be a good breakthrough for our BHWs. Hopefully, kung kailangan natin mag-adjust to include second class municipalities later on, and then we will adjust. Pero as a start, at least pa-compensate muna natin yung mga low-income municipalities.
So nakalagay lang dyan, sir, subsidy. Ibibigay sa kanila or regular, salary ba? Ang tawag doon?
No,
Or
they are
subsidy lang?
because they are considered as voluntary. Hindi po sila nakaplantilla, but this will be honoraria, no? Parang honoraria. Hindi naman subsidy or honoraria. So at least we will later on pagkaya na rin, we will pag-aralan po natin kung ano pa yung mga pwede nating maidagdag. So ito po yung mga incentives. Honoraria of 3,000, transportation allowance, subsistence allowance, insurance coverage, of course, yun yung education career advancement, yan pa sa mga trainee nila. So, cash gift, free legal services, and so on. So, provinces, yun, yung mga provinces naman and yung mga municipalities will be consulted as well para magbantay-pantay po yun, no? Kung ano yung on how much the cash gift that will be given and the subsidy that will be given to the third to fourth or fifth class municipalities. So
So, may na-approve na rin ng House na counterpart bill dyan?
nauna po sila.
Okay. So, magbabay ka
matagal
na.
po sila. Kaya yung kanila kasi parang walang. That's why it took us longer because we wanted to make sure that there is funding. Yun yung natin kasi parang hindi nakaano sa kanila ng una yung kung saan kukunin yung yung funds,
pondo.
no. Oo. And we want to make sure na kakayanin.
So, sir, magkano yung allocation kailangan? Budget allocation? For the 3,000?
Yung co-sharing kasi kung isasama mo yung sa LGU, yung sa municipalities and provinces, mga 7 billion. Pero for yung magiging national subsidy, no, mga 1.7 billion, no. So I think it's really doable and mukhang afford naman to 1.7 billion. It's our BHWs. I think they are justified naman to because they are frontliners saka they are part of our preventive health part of our preventive health care.
Identified na yung pwedeng pagkunan, sir, ng resources o yung funds?
Sa DOH po.
DOH.
Oo.
Magiging part ng pondo ng DOH?
Yes. We'll,
Okay.
kasi part naman po sila ng preventive care of the UHC.
Okay, Raymond.
Yung lang, by the numbers, sir, sinabi nyo na 251,000 yung registered.
BHW.
Pag sinabi natin na third to fifth class, ilang percentage ang consist? Will it consist half of the 250 or mga ilan ang yung dapat na tumanggap?
Most likely, mga half. 20% lang daw kasi mas madami yung second
Nasa first class na.
and first up to cities. Oo. Nasa 20% na pala. Oo. So it's a co-sharing between barangay, municipalities, cities, provinces. Tapos yung national government subsidy to third to fourth municipalities. Fourth,
So kung
fifth class.
20%, ilan na lang na BHW magiging beneficiary nito? 60,000?
Bravo.
50,000?
Sige, mahina ako sa mate kaya nga hindi ako accounting 50-60,000. Kaya nga hindi ako nag
So, sir, may
mga
habol,
50,000 siguro. Okay.
may hahabol, na-ratify, hindi pa pala, hindi
No,
pa
it was
nagbabaykan.
passed on second reading. Yes.
So magte-third reading pa lang.
Yeah.
Anyway, si Jen, from Business World.
Sir, this
Other
is
issue na.
about the mining tax.
Ay, meron ka pa ba about BHW? Ay, sandali dyan.
Okay.
Okay, may an.
Sorry, isa lang. Sir, kung second reading yung BHW, before before break, mapapasa po siya?
Next week?
Yes, we're hoping makapasa rin. Or if not, pagbalik na lang natin. Pero at least may 2 weeks pa tayo, di ba, bago sa...
Hanggang next week na lang, sir.
Hindi, I mean, sa
bago
June.
matapos ang
Bago
ano,
matapos, worst comes to
19th
worst, itong mga
Congress.
ito, by bago pumasok ng bagong set, I think we have 2 weeks. So we can do all of these things. At least napasa na siya. It's on the advanced stage na. No? Bycam na lang inaantay.
So during the break, pwede ba kayo mag-bycam, sir? No? Pwede.
Pwede, suppose, I think, pwede naman. Kaya lang basta mag-assign na ng conferees ang ang House at ang Senate, I think it's possible.
pwede.
Kaya lang baka